Welcome to Filmora 60-second, no more in a short time. In this video, we'll introduce you best birthday video maker online in 2022. Animoto. The best home video making website would allow users to create compelling birthday videos in a jiffy. All you need to do is choose a style and background music, customize the video, and then just share it. One doesn't need to be an expert in editing in order to create a video at Animoto.com. The iOS and Android apps of Animoto will enable the user to quickly access their site from anywhere. Animoto has been featured in BBC, NBC, CNN, National Geographic, ABC, and much more. RenderForest.com. This online birthday video maker provides some birthday templates which allows you to make birthday greeting cards and videos and create birthday slideshows with music for friends and family. It also provides some royalty-free stock footage access. Smilebox. This birthday video editing website allows users to create and share superb birthday videos within a nick of time. Here, you can select from a vast range of slideshow designs. All you need to do is to decorate your videos with inbuilt elements and music in one touch. Sharing your videos is never a problem since you can always upload them to Facebook. Wideo. This website is ideal for creating an animated birthday video of your party. Once you upload the audio and images, this website will quickly animate the text and object and create a nice birthday video which can be downloaded in HD quality. Plus, this site also allows the users to control who gets to see the video. Kizoa. This free birthday video maker website is easy to use. There are plentiful built-in sweet transitions and effects, which can turn photo and videos sparkling. Besides uploading your own photos and videos from your computer or Facebook account, this online birthday video maker provides built-in kids photos, wedding photos, backgrounds, video intros and outros templates, which is very useful if you need some media. Wevideo. It comes with both basic and advanced features so that you can choose the kind of features as you need. Moreover, the videos you make at Wevideo.com doesn't need to be saved on your hard disk since you can upload it in the cloud. Thus, even if you haven't completed the video, you can always pick up from where you left it. Features like slow motion, fast motion, green screen, or transition will make sure that viewers don't ever lose interest. Animaker.com. This video editor allows you to create a happy birthday video online. You can upload your own images, music, and even the voiceover to make a personalized birthday video. Animaker also provides various templates for you to choose, and it's easy to use as well. Just choose the template you like first, drag and drop some props and your images, edit the titles and add some effects, add the proper music, and done! You can download or export the video to YouTube directly. If you're interested in more useful content, check out filmora.wondershare.com.